here, this is a warm pink. And then cool pink. You see? Cool tone. It makes your skin look very uneven skin color shade. Warm tone.
Oh, right.
Yeah, warm is better. And then warm tone blue. You see the cool tone blue. You see the darkness?
Yes.
Here look brighter and here look darker. So warm tone is more suited. So here I'll random like one color, warm tone, and then cool tone. Look cool tone. Cool tone makes you look darker, right?
This is all cool tone?
Yeah. So cool
yeah.
and warm looks
Yeah.
good. So you're either spring or autumn, no summer and winter. Spring, summer, autumn, winter. Winter too dark. So compare this autumn and spring. I like autumn more.
Yeah.
Because spring makes you look more darker. Autumn perfect.
Yeah.
Yeah, you're right. So spring is too bright. Summer, autumn color, and winter. See, autumn looks nice. Spring, summer, autumn, winter. Autumn. You see, winter. You're too dark. And autumn looks bright. Again, spring, summer, autumn color, winter color. Autumn. Yeah, that's your autumn.
Like the autumn colors are a bit like muted, right?
And deep. Two tones.
Yeah, and deep.
So we have a softer color and dull tone color. It's mute. But if you go to like the deeper color, let's see. So autumn deep and autumn mute. Deep. Deep looks brighter.
Yeah, I like
it's
deep.
more define your face,
Yeah.
right? But if you go like the softer color, look bland,
Yeah.
look rounder. Someone looks good, but you're more too deep.
Yeah.
Okay. So Natasha, your visual, like the visual weight, like contrast, it should be high contrast. So high contrast, low, look blends, right? That's why deep tone is more suited. So high contrast, either bright or deep color, but you're more to the deep.
Okay.
But like the muted color tone, this gray, it looks not bad, but it looks bland. So
This gray
this
gray? that she's wearing.
second best.
Second.
Second best color. So this is autumn deep. Nice. You see, it's look more brighter.
So all of
and
this
even
color?
Your eye color is like more bright and clean, like shiny. See. But what if you got like a mute, like that color tone? See, not enough, right?
Yeah.
So it's gonna be the second best color. So compare this dull color, deep is nicer. If you go soft, it's gonna be too close to your skin color, so
Yeah.
no. So autumn soft, and then autumn deep tone. So your autumn deep. And I will show your worst, like, you know.
The worst colors. What is that?
You see, if you go like paler, never.
I usually avoid pastel colors because
No.
I just don't look good in pastel.
You see, I'm not sure like what's the skin color looks.
Yeah,
You
yeah.
see the summer and autumn like healthy,
Yeah.
right?
Oh yeah.
Yeah. But like Tanya wearing the more like dark color, but you cannot go to like darker than this.
Oh,
Because
okay.
if you go to like darker than this color tone, you look tired.
Oh.
See the shade? Autumn deep looks bright.
What about black and white?
Haha, chocolate gray. Chocolate gray. Because the black is
Chocolate
too
gray,
intense, too strong. So chocolate gray is nice. Second best is a medium gray, but no white color.
No white.
Yeah, it just like that, you know.
Not
like
even
one
like
white.
ivory white. Like
Ivory is better than pure white.
Oh, okay.
But I'd rather go more if
Dark?
there's options like chocolate gray.
Oh.
Mm.
Okay, great.
Because that one makes you look washed up. So chocolate gray.
So like darker gray, so like
Yeah.
not this light.
That one is the second
Like
best
too light.
color. More darker. So you're wearing the like the black color today?
Yes.
Then it's fine. Still
Okay.
contrast.
Oh, okay.
With gold. You see, gold color looks brighter. But if you go to silver, look pale, right?
Oh,
So
yeah.
Yes. Let's go.
No.
No. So
No. So
gold.
just go. Okay.
Metallic to dark. So gold.
Oh.
Okay. And then softer color. Too light, right? It should be more deeper. So you're R&D.
R&D. We got these pancakes because we ordered 2 dishes. Okay. Let's go. These are classrooms. And then like it's like underground. It's so real. Actually, this is bagus like sore sih to be honest. Can we like peek inside? Huh? Can we peek inside? So surreal. You know what this feels like? Divergent. It's cool how everyone's female.
The prompter stopped working, so we have to start over. Gotta stay consistent with my strange tricks. Yeah. No one can use it. I'm not using that.
괜찮아요.
It's like a whole feast. Oh my gosh. Which one is the most me? These ones are cute. 이거. 네네.
위로 놓으신 다음에 여기 위
my god. The kilo shop. So this is basically you pay by the kilo. I didn't bring my phone. That looks good. Let's take a picture. Okay. We are in front of the Dior seongsu. And it feels like Christmas. Wow. The Seek seongsu store. We're starting the hike. They're all pink. Okay, gonna hike up some more. See those two blue houses, guys? Those two. That's the presidential house. And she's dangerous.